In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch YouTube and use other apps on laptop. First, open Google Chrome. Click the three dots at the top right corner of the window. Go to Extensions. Then select Manage Extensions. Now, in this page you can see option of Chrome Web Store. Click on it. In the Chrome Web Store, search for Picture-in-Picture. Sort the results by selecting Extensions and under Category. Choose any extension you like, but I recommend you to choose Picture and Picture by Google. This time I have already downloaded. Once the extension is added, go to YouTube and play any video. Click on the extensions icon at the top right. The YouTube video will pop up in a small floating window on your screen. You can move it by clicking and dragging, and resize it to your liking. For other extension, might setting is change. That's it. If you found this helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more useful tips.